In a small town, a little girl named Mia loved to draw. One day she found an old paintbrush in her attic. When she started painting, something magical happened. Her drawings came to life. She painted a tree and it sprouted in her room. She drew a butterfly and it fluttered around her. Excited, Mia painted a rainbow and it arched across the sky outside. From that day, Mia used her magical paintbrush to spread joy and colour wherever she went. Pause, like, and subscribe this video.
In a quiet village, a little star named Twinkle lived in the night sky. One evening, Twinkle noticed a lost puppy crying near the forest. Though small, Twinkle decided to help. It shone brighter than ever, lighting up the path for the puppy to find its way home. The puppy barked happily, and Twinkle smiled, realizing even the smallest stars can make a big difference.